What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back in this video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. I have a shirt on. It's hot as fuck. So yeah, this is an unboxing from Sephora. I'm gonna take my edge brush and just stab it. Sephora, y'all need to do better with y'all delivery shit, because I didn't get no notification. I didn't get no, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just need to do better. Damn, this ain't cutting it. This ain't doing it. I need some scissors. Do I? We found some scissors. And I can use these now on, these are shears, but I can use these now because I'm not cutting my hair. I have locks. So yeah, I'm not doing any trims. Y'all, these two things came in the box. This is too much box. All this box for 2 items. Ridiculous. This is what was in here. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Anastasia clear brow gel. It was like free because it's like a birthday gift or whatever. But I got the clear brow gel. Oh, this is small. Why is this so tiny? I mean, I guess, but so this is their brow gel. It's just like a little sample. Real cute. I also have, let me see. I also have their tiny, where's that? Okay, this is the mascara. So this is the mascara and this is the Anastasia clear brow gel. So yeah, I have that. My eyebrows are already done for the day, so I'm not gonna try that out right now. But this is the star of the show. So this is the Fenty Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. And it conditions, cushions, leaves a light kiss of shine. And so yeah, let's just get right into it. This is the star of the show. Fenty can just take all of my money. I was gonna get the Dior. I was gonna get the Dior lip oil, but this one is cheaper and it's Fenty Beauty, so why not? Love your skin, respect the planet. I love it. They recycle. They have a very, very clean formula, and I am just messing with it. Ever since I had the Fenty Butter, I love it. So this is a lip oil. The doe foot is fucking beautiful. Look at the product. I love the packaging. Ooh. Y'all, can we talk about the gloss? Look at the shine. My lips feel good as fuck. My lips feel good. That's all I need. Yeah. She loves it. My lips, I need a second one. It's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. I like this shit. Definitely getting another one and a third one. This is definitely going in my bag. It's a staple. It's a must. You don't need much. As you saw, like one application did my whole entire lip. I just applied two for the hell of it, because why not? Cheaper than Dior. I don't know what Dior feels like, but it's cheaper than Dior, so we're gonna go with that. And I think you get more. I don't even care if you get more. I like this. I like this. And new staple. Sorry, gotta have it. Yeah. Like I said, it's not sticky. It's literally cherry tree conditioning lip oil. Like, it just feels too good. I love this for me. Yeah, so Fenty, you did it again. Rihanna, I love you. Keep taking my coin. That butter drop cream, love. Staple. I haven't gotten to the skincare yet, but that butter drop stuff, I don't know what you put in that, but I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, y'all, that was the end of the video, because I'm not gonna try to Anastasia Beverly Hills anything until, because my face is already done. But yeah, y'all, this lip oil right here, very, very, very nice, and I absolutely love it. Staples going in my bag right now. We love that for me. So yeah, that was just a quick little video, quick little review, quick little unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Treats. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Treats as well. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.